Hello everyone, welcome to JV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification, right, for more interesting videos. Right, we are continuing on 30 days Java programming. This is day 26, sort numbers in ascending order. Right, sort numbers in ascending order. Right, if you want to sort, right, there are multiple ways. Right, we can sort by using brute force, right, or there are different sorting techniques, right. We have selection sort, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort, right. There are multiple sorts are there, right. We will take, suppose, okay, we will have a one array like 4 2 3 1. I want to sort by using bubble sort, right. We will see today bubble sort, right, bubble sort. Right, bubble sort, how to sort it, right, by using bubble sort, how to sort this. What is bubble sort first of all, right, okay, like bubble sort, how it will work is, right, okay, we'll take, okay, now first it will compare 0 1 2 3, right, indexes what 0 1 2 3, right. First it will take 4 and 2, right, it will take 4 and 2, it will verify is 4 greater than 2, yes. Now what we have to do, you have to keep 2 first, right, 2 first, then 4, then 3 and 1 as it is. Coming to next iteration, it will take 1 and 2. Is 4 is greater than 3? Yes, 4 is greater than 3. Now again it will swap 3 and 4. Right, now again, right, 0, 1, 2, 2 and 3. Is 4 and 4 greater than 1? Yes, 4 is greater than 1. Now what will happen, again swap. Right, first pass is completed, first iteration is completed. Now come to second iteration, it will take the last one as the input. Now again it will start from again, right, is 0 and 2 greater than 3, right, is 2 greater than 3? No, right. Then next one, is 3 greater than 1? Is 3 greater than 1? Yes, 3 is greater than 1, so it will swap. Right, next it will verify, is 3 is greater than 4? Is 3 is greater than 4? No, right. Then next pass, it will come to next pass, it will take the input of it. Now 2 is greater than 1, again it will compare, 2 is greater than 1? Yes, 2 is greater than 1, so it will become swap 1 2. Now is 1 is greater than, right, and now it will go 3 and 4, right. Now 1 is greater than 2 is, now next pass what will compare, 2 and 3. 2 is greater than 3? No. 3 is greater than 3? 4? No. Right. Right, see, it got sorted. Right, it will work like this bubble sort. It will compare side by side numbers until numbers will be sorted. Right, coming to our program. Okay, now coming to Eclipse, we'll create the new class day 26 challenge. Right, if anyone required this project, it is already there in the GitHub. If you want, you please create GitHub account. Right, it is free one. You can create using Gmail. Right, you can provide me your GitHub account ID. I will provide access to you. Right. Now, just create the main method. Okay, fine. Now I will create a one array. Right, we can take anything. Right, now first we have to take two loops we required here. Right, two loops required here. I equal to 1 to I less than arr dot length minus 1, then I plus plus. Right, one more loop we required. Into j equal to 0 to j less than we required here dot length minus I minus 1, minus I minus. Right, we no need to go up to end of the loop. Right, end of the length we don't require already. Right, every iteration it will decrease automatically by I minus 1. Now suppose, right, we have to swap it. Right, how to swap it? If we have to compare, right, we have to compare array of j. Is array of j greater than j plus 1? Right, side by side number. Bubble sort will work with side by side number j plus 1. If it is greater than, what we have to do? First store a of j in the temp. A of j is in the temp. Then right, a of j means array. Right, array of j. Then we can keep array of j. In array of j, what we have to swap it. Right, in array of j we have to store the j plus 1. Then array of j plus 1 we have to store temp. Right, now once it is done, right, we will print right, just for printing purpose, right, I will use the predefined classes just for printing purpose. Arrays dot toString. Right, I can print array. Right, otherwise you can just use the for each loop. We can print it just for. Right, once for loop is done. Right, then after sorting. Right, before sorting, after sorting. Now just run it. Okay, run as Java application. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right, it got sorted in the ascending order. Suppose if you want in a descending order, just we have to make as a less than. That's it. See, if you keep the greater than, right, in the if condition, greater than means ascending order, less than means descending order. Right, in interview they might ask sometimes a descending order. Just we have to change this less than or greater than symbol. That's it. Greater than means ascending order, less than means descending order. Right. Okay, greater than means ascending. Okay, like this we can sort it. Right, just okay then. Right, if you like my way of teaching content presentation, just subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, if anyone is requiring for more difficult Java programs, right, I have started a Leet code. Right, Leet code programs also. You can go to my channel playlist. Right, right, you can go to playlist. You can find the Leet code problems. If you want more challenging Java questions, you can solve those. Right, whoever participated, please paste your programs once. Whoever completed, paste our programs in the comment section. We will see how many ways we can sort this. Right, we can achieve sorting. Right, thanks for watching. Share to your friends.